Thank you for watching this Purdue OWL vidcast on organization at the paragraph level. We can think about organization on 3 different levels: the document level, the paragraph level, and the sentence level. For this video, we will focus on the paragraph level. Especially when communicating complex ideas, it can be easy to write unorganized paragraphs. This can make it harder for you to write focused arguments, and harder for readers to follow your ideas. Generally, paragraphs should be focused on one main idea. As the writer, you can divide your paragraphs so that each one has one central point. Then use organizational tools such as topic sentences and concluding sentences to frame your paragraph around that point. The body of your paragraph should also have a logical order. We'll walk through different strategies that support the purpose of different kinds of paragraphs. There's not a single formula for how to write a paragraph, because what a paragraph needs will depend on what kind of information is being shared. In this video, we'll go over some organizational tools you can use to strengthen your paragraphs, some strategies for organizing your paragraphs, and some additional paragraph best practices. The first organizational tool you can use is transitions. Transitions help you to move smoothly between ideas and identify how information is related. To move between paragraphs, you can use a transition sentence at the start of a paragraph to show how main ideas are connected. This can be particularly helpful if you feel like you're making an abrupt transition, or you want to clarify an important relationship between ideas. You can also use transition phrases to connect ideas between sentences. You can use transition phrases like "in addition" or "however" to set up contrasts and connections. A helpful best practice is to avoid unclear antecedents like "this." Instead, identify exactly what you're establishing a relationship to, such as "this idea" or "this institution." A good topic sentence is one of your most powerful organizational tools. A topic sentence states the main idea of a paragraph. It's usually the first sentence in a paragraph, or it could be the second sentence if you have a transition first. In the example on the slide, one of the key advantages of solar power is that it is a power source with low emissions. The topic sentence advertises to the reader exactly what they should expect from this paragraph. If the whole paper or section is about solar power and its benefits, we know that this paragraph will be specifically about emissions. Often, it can be hard to write strong topic sentences while drafting, especially if you're still developing your ideas. It's a great idea to work on these topic sentences as you revise. You can check that each paragraph is unified around a single main idea, then write or edit your topic sentence to clearly state that idea. Within the body of your paragraph, you want to organize details in a way that's logical and that supports the purpose of the paragraph. There are different organizational strategies that you can follow depending on your goal. Simple listing lays out information that's equal in value, where the order of the information doesn't really impact the meaning. This is typically a good strategy for background information. You can use transition words like "in addition" and "for example." For analytical paragraphs, you may want to provide a central point or generalization supported by one or multiple examples. A chronological paragraph provides details in the order in which they occurred. This is a great choice for a method section. You can describe the order in which you did things. Or for providing background information if it's chronological. To help guide the reader, you can use signposting words like "first, second, third," or "next" and "after." A compare and contrast paragraph analyzes the relationship between 2 different ideas. This is a good choice for a literature review where you want to discuss two connected or contrasting approaches or theories or works. Signposting words like however, in contrast, or similarly and likewise can help here. A cause and effect paragraph explains why something happened. This is often good for results and discussion sections. Useful signposting phrases are as a result and if, then. Here we have some additional best practices to follow to ensure that your paragraph is clearly organized. First, focus each paragraph on one main topic or idea. If a paragraph has multiple ideas or topics, decide if there are subtopics that could be united by one overall topic articulated in your topic sentence. Or, on the other hand, if each topic needs a separate paragraph. Second, pay attention to paragraph length. This will vary by need, topic, and discipline, but you want paragraphs that are well supported without being too long for a reader to digest. Usually, if a paragraph is longer than about 2/3 to 3/4 of a double-spaced page, it's likely that it may contain too many ideas or be harder for a reader to follow. Take that as a cue to check that your paragraph is coherently focused on a single main idea. Next, don't let sources be the dominant voice of your document. Try not to open or close a paragraph with another source unless it is necessary or you're using a quote for impact. You should also engage with every quote you use. Tell your reader why you're using the source, either through analysis, argument, or discussion. Similarly, you want to engage with supporting details and any evidence you share with readers. Finally, end your paragraph with a concluding sentence that tells the reader what they should take away from your paragraph. Often, the strongest way to do this is to link the paragraph back to the main purpose of the section or document. If you'd like to keep learning more, you can also check out our video on organization at the document level. You can also find more information about graduate writing on the Purdue OWL website. Thank you for watching.